Hola clase. Hoy hablamos del tenso presente. We're talking about the present tense. Make sure you have your notes page out. The present tense, you will form it with actions occurring in the current moment. I talk or I am talking. To form the present tense of a regular AR, ER, or IR verb, you follow these two rules, just like we've talked about before. Drop the ending and add the appropriate ending based on the subject. Here are the endings for AR verbs, regular verbs in the present tense. O, as, a, amos, ais, an. Don't forget your accent over the A on the vosotros form. Your endings for ER verbs, o, es, e, hemos, es, en. Again, there's an accent on the vosotros form over the E. And IR endings, o, es, e, imos, is, en. You'll notice how these are the same as the ER endings, except for the nosotros and the vosotros forms. Practiquemos. Bailar, take off your AR ending and add O. Bailo, bailas, baila, bailamos, bailais, bailan. Comer. Como, comes, come, comemos, comes, comen. And vivir. Vivo, vives, vive, vivimos, vivís, viven. And notice how the endings for the nosotros and the vosotros forms are different from ER verb endings. Practiquemos. I'm going to have you pause the video now, practice on your own, and then restart it when you're ready to check your answers. Okay. Canto, estudian, corre, bailamos, escribe, patina, viven, comes, contestan, descanso. Yo como, nosotros cantamos, ustedes escriben, ellos viven, ella baila. Usted estudia, él toma, tú hablas, ellos contestan, nosotros patinamos. Okay, we have 4 irregular verbs. Ser is the first one. It means to be. The forms of ser are soy, eres, es, somos, sois, son. No accents. Estar also means to be. We're going to talk about the differences in the next couple of days. Estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis, están. Notice how the top 2 boxes do not carry accents, but the rest of them do on the A's. Dar means to give. Doy, das, da, damos, dais, dan. And ir means to go. Voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. I call these the small verbs because they're all very small and short conjugations. A form of ir plus al plus place is because you had a masculine singular noun, okay? And you have to change the a to al, a-el to al. Form of ir plus a plus place is because you have a feminine masculine plural. La, feminine masculine plural. La, las, and los. We'll talk about this in just a second. We use ir plus a plus infinitive to talk about future actions. Voy a estudiar. So instead of just talking in the present tense, you want to talk about something that's happening in the future. You have a form of ir and an infinitive verb. I am going to study in the future. We are going to skate. She is going to listen to music, and the students are going to rest. Nosotros vamos a patinar. Ella va a escuchar música. Los estudiantes van a descansar. The infinitive is part of the formula. An infinitive verb is not conjugated, and it will always end in AR, ER, or IR. We do not need to change a to al, ala, alos, or alas, because an article never comes before a verb, in this case. Practiquemos. Say what these people are going to do in the near future. Pause the video and replay it when you're ready. Okay. Tú vas a mandar una carta. En inglés, you are going to mail a letter. Los estudiantes van a pasear. The students are going to take a walk. When talking about going to a place, the verb ir follows the following formulas, and this is what we were talking about a little bit earlier. A form of ir plus al plus place. That is because a plus el must change to al when they are next to each other. And a form of ir plus a plus place is when you have feminine or masculine plural noun. Okay, go ahead and practice and then play the video when you are ready to check. Yo voy al auditorio. Ella va a las clases. Tú vas a los restaurantes. Ricardo y Edgar van al hospital. Tu amigo va al gimnasio. Yo voy a la tienda. Juan y yo vamos a la cafetería. That is it.